Think auto parts manufacturing can't get any more efficient? Think again. Introducing the game changer in auto parts manufacturing, the Axis robot combined with a vibratory feeder bowl. This dynamic duo is designed to take your efficiency, precision, and consistency to the next level. Imagine having a robot that can handle parts with unmatched accuracy. Axis robots are equipped with advanced sensors and programming, allowing them to assemble parts with micrometer precision. This means fewer errors and higher quality outputs every single time. And let's talk about the vibratory feeder bowl. It ensures a steady flow of parts, perfectly positioned for the robot to pick and place. No more bottlenecks, no more downtime, just smooth, continuous production. With this automated system, you're not just saving time, you're also reducing labor costs and minimizing waste. Plus, the consistency it brings means you can meet and exceed quality standards effortlessly. So, why stick to old methods when you can embrace the future? Upgrade your manufacturing line with Axis robots and watch your productivity soar. It's time to transform the way you build auto parts.